It's cold. Coldest day of the year.
Is this Snapchat or
YouTube!
Hi, YouTube.
We're walking down the street trying to find a good place to eat. This is Chelly in the city. Guys, I'm here live with this girl. She's famous! Oh my god!
So annoying.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What is going on? Is it redirecting us?
You've got to be fucking
It's
kidding.
too cold to redirect.
Yeah, I'm gonna have time for this. I'm so mad. I don't have time for this. Yo. Really? Oh, I think we were supposed to go down that way and go up. Let's just do it. Let's see.
Alright, let's do this. Oh, but I'm actually hungry now.
Yeah, I'm starving. I feel like I'm so sorry.
And I ate before I left.
I'm sorry.
Lifetime. Yeah. So me could make a little pretty baby me in love with you.
Your skin looks great though, Cho.
Thanks. First, you not tell us to proceed to the rotted root long time ago.
Alright, this is it. It's pretty cute. Apparently they have the best fried chicken in town. Oh, we'll see. I'm so hungry, holy crap. Wow. Ooh. And the prices are good. Less hope.
Okay, see me, your friend. I'm a big friend. I hook you up. Your big friend.
Yes, big time friend.
I'm gonna go take my pictures, and I'll be right back.
This a the fuck and I know if no maybe. That wine they drive me crazy. Lift up your dress a little like your baby.
I'm hungry as shit. I just want to eat this. I just want to eat it. But
Well,
she's
you're
taking
gonna
too
have
many
to wait.
damn photos. I just want to. Can I put my
Yeah,
fork
get
in?
a fork there.
Ooh, when I eat this, you guys don't even know. It's gonna be so good. Oh, chicken and waffles.
Stop.
Well, not really.
No, Ebonee. She's in her room. No.
You're ruining my life. Nobody knows, please. No.
She's gonna put this on the vlog. No, it's gonna ruin my brand. So delete.
I look way too casual.
No, but it's not a club.
And I was gonna wear boots, but I don't know.
Honestly, I think
Yeah.
you have pants which look like a freshie. I think you should just like change it. I don't like it.
I don't like it either.
Yeah,
I
I
only wear it in
think
the
it's just
summer.
like a solid black. Like it's winter. It's not
I
summer.
don't have black.
Yes, Chelly in the city telling her the style the fashion. Whoa, you styling on a budget. Wait, where she going to the club and wind up? Cock it up, yes. So funny. Look, 1, 2. Yo, I hope you watch this.
You're a
Post it on my
weirdo.
Facebook.
No. He's just a weirdo. You're just a weirdo.
Should I show a picture?
How about that?
Oh no. Like,
no.
you have
No.
to-
That's too much.
That's too much.
That's too much.
We just have to give them a taste. Like, if you see this, just know you're lacking. You're lacking, buddy. It's a Durham
what?
region thing.
He's messaging you too?
He's like, how you doing?
What?
Where you from?
He literally told me, he's
What's
like,
your
you're the
snack?"
most, he literally was like to me, you are the most gorgeous woman I've ever seen in my DMs. What's
He's
your
like,
snap?
to me, you're a beautiful curvy island
And I
girl.
was like, and I was like, okay. He could be a catfish.
I think
Have
so.
we thought of that?
No.
Because you know what, I added him to Snap and he posts the same old video of them.
Really?
Yeah, in a loop.
He has me on Snapchat. He just added me on Snapchat.
Yo, let's take a selfie together.
He's like, you're beautiful.
what a joker.
was
He
like-
posted a
Say to him as, are you a catfish? And send a pic right now.
Say that, all that.
Yeah, send a pic right now at
we
this
got
second.
catfish. We got catfish.
We got catfish. That's
We
so
got catfish. This guy like literally popped up in my DMs. You're the most gorgeous woman in the world. And I'm like, oh my god, that's so nice of you. And he was actually good looking.
Oh, he popped up.
Oh my god!
oh my god.
Scandalous.
Man hiding?
A lie? Why is he hiding?
Did he say?
What did he say?
I was like, thank you. How do you find me on Facebook? Send me a pic. But I said,
Props.
He's
I don't
probably a
want that.
catfish. No, we're actually probably being catfish.
he said I have pics on Facebook.
Oh, what is going on right now? Is this happening?
No, this isn't really happening. No, he's a catfish.
I just said.
Of your face, lol. He's still a peep.
Oh.
Whoa. Him send one.
Oh, he
send
sent
two.
it. Whoa. He sent it. He sent the picture.
So you didn't even scratch my lip while you
Oh,
makeup.
Sorry.
He sent old videos.
Nah, man's a catfish still.
First of all, it's not nighttime. It's not nighttime. I should say LOL.
Just say LOL.
Oh, he
Oh,
sent
send
it more. He's really a catfish.
Oh, maybe he's real.
No, you just
I
say
don't want that.
he's
You
like
have to
send
save
me
them.
pics. Me, I got send me.
She's this is on her Snapchat.
Okay, let me get the pull me phone.
Yo, she's getting. No, this is on her phone. So
Rule number 1, ladies: surprise the fuck out of them.
Yo, where is Shiloh right now? This is too funny.
Ready? Let's do it together. So
Look at the pic that we
funny,
sent him.
bro.
It's very funny because what
what's
the heck?
done in darkness come to light.
Always comes to light. That is so
Always come
hilarious.
to light. As my mother would say. All the friggin' old people say this. As my mother did say, everything that was done in darkness come in light.
Very true.
Or comes to light.
Facts.
So, you want to catfish? Keep catfishing.
Not even catfish.
You got fish for
You
the
want-
wrong girl.
You talk to the two of the same. Oh god! He's responding.
keep it.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I got it open it up. It's so funny.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Looked away. You think he deleted me?
Yo.
He's
I'm
like,
just
wait,
having fun.
I messaged that one. Oh shit, I messaged that one.
He's not peeping no more. He's a real man. Oh, he's peeping still. Oh my gosh,
Oh
guys.
shit.
Scary.
Shiloh, you missed it.
Stop.
Aw, look at without her head tie. She looks so cute. Pretty. Let's go. I'm just so nice.
Okay, we'll just have to wait for him to
Yeah, we have to wait for him to respond, but we going to the Cheesecake Factory.
Oh my god.
That we thought was cute.
That for me. That they thought was
wait,
cute
wait,
for
wait.
her. For me, bro.
Wait, let's take
She's
a
like,
moment.
okay,
My
wait.
guy said full body.
What? So show him
what's
my full body. He's talking to Shy?
Yes.
So what we did was I took a snap of all 3 of us and I sent it to him.
Because
You should put me in it.
Bitch,
Remember when you blocked
you were
me,
in here.
motherfucker? Yeah. You kept DMing me.
Oh,
I wasn't
shit.
responding. You see this?
What does he want?
How dare the best friends? Really?
And then
You're a loser.
Wait, he added your. He added me. On first on Facebook.
I think he's a
Yeah, read the whole thing.
I don't think he's a catfish. No, he's a cat.
He just talked to every
He
gal.
just no.
Look at the pictures. He's just
Guys, my salad used to be way bigger. I just ate some. I'm already kind of full, and it still looks like I just got it. Mango, avocado, and chicken. It's the one. Together. Look. With the vinaigrette? Are you stupid? And ask for Kim. She's bomb.
in love with you. You set me free. I can't do this thing called life without you here with me. 'Cause I'm dangerously in love with you.
When did she get like? When did she get the When she start the job?
This shit.
Is she in jail or she's working there?
Go outside,